Yeah. All right, this is Christopher of First Class Construction and Roofing. We're here at Kathy Traylor's again to do another repair for Allstate. You see, here's the previous repair and it failed. Now we're going to replace this shingle here. Here we go. See, we have another layer of shingles up under here. See that? Coming apart. All right. Confident I am that this is sinking into the wood as well. This other layer on here. Here, let me say that a minute. If you can see here, back it up, see if I can find it. This hole right here, we cannot put a nail back through there, and that is now a potential leak path. It's got the same thing right here, see it? Look at that hole. I don't know if you can see it from there. Yeah. Right there. All right, as you can see, we have the shingle tore right here because they're so frail and brittle. Look here. Barely hit it with a hammer, and then it creased right here. I'm gonna say this roof is not repairable. Suggest a full roof replacement. That's it.